Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how Dress to Impress deducts your point by unfairly voting for people on Dress to Impress. So I guess if you don't vote at all, like if you just vote 1 star, you won't, you'll be deducted points, I think. So here I'm just going to vote like around 3. I think I actually like her outfits. I'm just going to give it a 4. But it happened last round because obviously it's like my first time playing, and some of the outfits were not outfitting. So that's why, like, for instance, this, I mean, it's okay, but like it's not the best. But I'm not on like a master server, so I'm just gonna give it a 2 star. So if you only, I guess, vote 1 star, you'll be deducted points. I'm not sure if it's going to happen with like 2 stars, if there's like a minimum vote we can do here. So here's me. I'm just going to do this pose, and then maybe this one, and then maybe this. I don't know. Okay. And I'm just going to keep voting for people. Okay. I might vote 3 because this is my brother. So basically, again, I think, okay, I'll tell you like in the end, when we're all done voting, if I get deducted points or not. I think if you don't vote at all, like, what am I supposed to do here? Like, I'm supposed to give that person a 2. I'm gonna just give that person a 1 and see like the result if I get deducted points or not. I mean, I'll show it to you guys just for the sake of this video. So let me see if I get deducted points. Okay, I didn't get my points deducted because I did vote for a few rounds, and maybe because their outfit wasn't completed, I was allowed to do that, like get points. But as you can see, the votes are still really low. Maybe it's their first time playing, but people can get deducted points for that. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Just remember, if you don't vote fairly, you will now get points deducted, okay? I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.